Hey everyone, it's Julie with Griot's Garage here, and I'm stoked to introduce you to the PFM UltraFast Edgeless Towel. This versatile, maneuverable towel safely speeds up a myriad of detailing processes for you in ways that will soon have you calling it your trusty sidekick. In detailing, bigger isn't always necessarily better. Some situations call for a smaller, more agile towel. So we at Griot's Garage thought, you know what? Let's make this next microfiber heroic. Not only maneuverable faster than a speeding bullet, but let's deliver our highest GSM of absorbency yet. So whether you're buffing off your application of ceramic 3-in-1 wax, drying your car or truck panel by panel after a rinseless wash, or simply drying low to the ground below the belt line after a full foam cannon wash, you'll appreciate the edgeless design, nimble size, and 70-30 polyester to polyamide blend of twist loop microfiber. At a quarter of the size of larger dry towels, our PFM UltraFast Edgeless Towel packs a massive 1500 GSM into a compact 16 by 16 square inch package. Providing supernatural levels of absorbency, it not only allows for lightning fast drying of every curve of your vehicle's contour, but it holds almost 3 pounds of water, leaving a streak-free and lint-free finish, giving peace of mind even when hitting it up before the show one last time with speed shine. The PFM UltraFast Edgeless Towel. It's more than a towel. It's a safe, fast, powerful hero of a tool here to save you time and energy. We hope you found this video helpful, but don't take my word for it. Try out the PFM UltraFast Edgeless Towel for yourself. Thanks for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.